Hi everyone and welcome back. Today is a day where we are talking about this look right here. This is a fierce makeup look, also good for runway models or just, night outs. Like usually, we have to start with a primer. I'm using step 1 for Makeup Forever, the hydrating one. I like to really take my time and apply it on the face with a flat brush. Make sure I don't miss any spot. A very important step for me is cancelling the color of my under eyes. For this I am using a light mustard color. This is a creamy product, easy to blend, color correcting from Makeup Forever number CC30. I warm it up with my finger. In this way I make it very easy to blend. As you see, applying it immediately covers my eye bags. In this way we don't have to use so much concealer after. This time I will first start with my eyes because this makeup requires more color and I don't want to have too much fallouts. First thing that I will be doing is applying eye primer, MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot Soft Ochre. For powdering my primer, I use an HD powder from Makeup Forever with the brush 160, also from Makeup Forever. From the palette Morphe 35B, I'm gonna take this color right here, blue, but first I'm gonna apply a very special product on it called Aqua Seal that makes it shimmery even more, be more activated, stay longer, and of course by adding this the color become waterproof. Make sure you don't apply too much, just a tiny drop in the corner of the color, and with the brush you go to collect it exactly there. I am applying this blue all over my upper mobile lid and also lower lid, slightly blend into the exteriors. Next color that I am using is this reddish brown right here from Makeup Forever. I'm going to apply this starting from the lower lash, going to the exterior and on my upper lash. In this way I am creating a sort of fierce V that I will blend later. Not too much, because graphic will always give that vibe of dramatic or fierce. Next step, I apply black exactly in the external corner of the eyes, but I make sure I don't blend more than the brow. I try to keep it locally, if that makes any sense, by dabbing it and blending and adding as much as I need. For the inner corner of my eyes, I applied pearl powder from Atelier Paris in the shade Rose. The foundation, I am using two shades, number 14 and 25 from Le Maquillage Professionnel by MAC Pro Parts. It's a medium coverage foundations. I like using two shades of foundation, this way you don't have to buy many products, you can always have the perfect shades by mixing it as much as you need. I am applying this with the brush 150 from Makeup Forever. As you can see, I start putting step by step, layer after layer. I like it more than having fixed with a sponge all over my face. Of course, a sponge can be useful, but if I can skip it, why not? For contouring, I took the darkest shade of my foundation and I applied it in the areas where I want to sculpt. On my cheeks, on my forehead, being sure I blend it very well in my hairline, so there are no harsh lines. For the blush, I am using the brush number 128 from Makeup Forever. It may not be perfect for blush, but I love this technique because it's very fluffy and big, and by grabbing it I go exactly on the areas where I want. The blush is from Makeup Forever, the shade number S214. For highlight, I choose this color right here from NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow. I apply it above my blush, also on it. For my brows, I use the same technique that gives me the natural look for brows. I put Aqua Brow on my hand. I blend it very well on my brush and then gently on the hair of the brows. In this way, brows don't become very sharp or very well drawn. I think very well shaped brows are no longer on trend. For the lips, I keep it nude. I first line them with an artist color pencil and then apply a creamy nude lipstick. Okay, that was for today. I hope you really liked it. Don't forget to give this video a like and also to subscribe. Kisses!